If you're really not sure what skills are transferable and you're trying to switch or stay in the same career, but you're not really sure what are the skills needed out there, I got the solution for you. Now, if you're on LinkedIn, now this is a URL. I'm on the video as well down there. Take a look at it. Scroll down, you should be on this page right here. Skip ahead. So basically, this is a path to a new job. Type in, let's say you're in US or you're in Canada, so in here, and human resources. I'm just gonna leave it out there, and that happens, and it's gonna give me automatically, if you see it, it's based on my profile, whatever is the skills that I have on LinkedIn profile. It gives you the score, the matching score based on my profile, the skills that I need to build in, skills that I'm missing are these based on my profile. Also gives you find jobs. You can go click on finding the job it gives, and then you can also find the connections of people who are already in that. So if I wanted to go from what I am today to human resources manager, my profile matches up to 92%. And if I wanted to go from the admin to human resources, let's say, what am I missing in my profile, what I need to work on it too. And these are something, it's a really good tool for you to play around, and it also gives you the skills to build that. These are the possible keyword as well to navigate around it, and it's all based on data which is sitting in the LinkedIn. It's skills you lack to move on to the different role, the similar industry and same set of skills or transferable skills. What are the things that you can use? If I want to go into the different route but still stay in the same field, gives you what are the matches. It goes down. The more I go into the different kind of skill set, it gives me the matching score. It's going low. It gives you so many varieties that what you need if you want to go from there to there. It gives you the skills as well.